today, or rather tonight, when you get those munchies and the only thing you have in the house are these, yes, ramen noodles. We are going to be making top ramen noodles and the Ninja Foodi. And yes, this is the chicken brand, so you really want to add chicken. But the only thing I have in the house are cooked frozen shrimp. Took those out, they've been defrosting for a bit, and we're gonna make this in no time flat to fulfill those nighttime munchies. My name's Lisa and welcome to Pressure Crisp. So to make this recipe, all you need is ramen noodles. And yes, like I said, I should put chicken in there, but you know something? If you don't have chicken, put shrimp, put beef, just put whatever you have in the house because these are munchies. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, when you get out of work, you're starving. Or, like tonight, it's getting chilly willy out. Fall is on its way, so we just want something quick. We're going to need a thing of ramen noodles, and everybody usually has these in the house. You're gonna need 2 cups of water. And my add-ons, I'm gonna throw in some already cooked shrimp. And for a little bit of freshness, we're gonna pop in some green onion. So to start this fantastic recipe, oh, so much work goes into this. We're gonna open that bag of ramen, let all the pieces just fall in. And there should be a packet in there as well. And what I'm gonna do is just get this ready. But what I like to do, you're gonna break this up. You're gonna go ahead and add your 2 cups of water. And you know something? I probably should have added the packet to the 2 cups of water, but I'm in too much of a hurry because I'm starving to death. I'm gonna take these chopsticks and we're just going to mix this all together. Just trying to get that. Oh, that's right, the Chinese. You only stir in one direction. One direction. Especially when you're making dumplings. That video to come probably in a month. You're gonna go ahead and put your lid on. Make sure it's set to seal. Okay, we're gonna select pressure, high. Drop this down to, we're gonna try it for 3 minutes. Okay, they're done, so now we're going to be doing a quick release. So the red tab has dropped in the back. We're gonna go ahead and take the lid off. Please be careful, there's steam as well as dripping water, so open it away from you. Good view now. As you can see, some of this, see how this didn't cook that well? But all you do, stir it right into the soup base. Look at that. We're gonna go ahead and shut the Ninja Foodi off. We're gonna go ahead and put these shrimp in, but we'll do these one at a time. These shrimp are already cooked, so by putting them in this warm bowl, it's just going to warm them through, and it is going to be fantastic. And then always, if you have it in the house, just drop in some green onion. Just gives you a little bit of color. So this is quick, easy. This is a quick lunch, dinner, or that midnight snack when you get out of work. I just want to show you what it looks like. You got your shrimp, your green onion, and I use chicken ramen because it's the only thing I had in the house. Just use what came with it, and the shrimp actually works with this. Let's see if I can do this. I can pick up one of these shrimp. It's fantastic. The shrimp is completely warmed through. The heat of the broth warmed it through, and then the green onion, you get a little bit of freshness. And by breaking up the ramen, you have like shorter noodles to eat. So let's see if we can do this. The noodles are cooked. They're a bit, I wouldn't say overcooked, but if you do the 2 minutes, I've tried doing the 2 minutes and they're not cooked enough. So I prefer to have them cooked more than less, but this is really good. And it's, you know, it's really good, and get to practice your chopsticks. So thank you so much for watching these videos. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. This is just a quick video on what to do with ramen noodles. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Ninja Foodi videos.